Good day, investors. Welcome to the 29th of April 2015 market review. The trade for today is called Aspen and the code is APN. Last traded price was 372 Rand. The action on this trade is to do a buy. The price to get it at is 368 Rand and 51 cents on the grey line. And the target will be close to the green line of 390 Rand and 62 cents. Stop loss to be used on this trade on the red line is 361 Rand and 14 cents. Current open trades is Sanlam, and it was done on the 28th of April. Looking at the top 40 index, this is the top 40 shares of the JSE. The black line is indicating the index movement of the top 40 shares, and it's still trading above the red and the green line, blue line that's indicating the 10-day and the 20-day moving average in a positive momentum still. Looking at the Dow Jones, they closed about 72 points positive on Tuesday evening, and they're actually trading here on the green line, same previous stops as previous months in March as well as in April. Take note, the Federal Reserve meeting results will come out late afternoon here at 6 o'clock in our time, and it will have effect on Thursday in our markets. So a lot of speculation is currently happening due to that results or information that will be given when interest rates hikes could happen and when and what could happen in the future. So a lot of volatility. Futures are currently a bit positive in America or the US markets, the European markets, as well as the South African markets as well. Looking at the JSE top 40 index, positive channel, did reach the top, lose a bit of momentum yesterday, about 207 points at a stage, about 400 points down, but still the volatility consists there on the stop, and we need to see what will happen in the next day or two. Looking at some shares in the market, let's start with the MTNs. Now MTN broke yesterday a bit higher, about 6.27 higher, went from a 250 level almost to the level of 246, still trading in a positive channel but on the top side of the market, and you can see testing the previous highs here of the same level of about 246, 247. Looking at Vodacom, now Vodacom at this moment also broke the new record high for this part-time, trading at 154.93. Yesterday this specific share went also up about 5.79, and as you can see it's trading on the top side as well. Nice breakups on the telecommunication. Let's go and view Telkom. Telkom did nothing, still sideways, trading to the side, trading between the green and the red, going nowhere. So it's the big telecommunications like Vodacom and MTN that actually had a nice jump. Let's go and look at the retailers. Shoprite still striking here above 171 at this moment. Next high of expectation, if it still wants to bounce here and go higher, it's close to the 175.84. Let's see what the share can do, especially in the retailers. Looking at your Woolies, Woolies is starting to fade out to the side. You can look at this lows here and the highs here. It's doing nothing, just a total sideways trading at this moment. And looking at your Mr. Price, still lost a bit of 2.39 yesterday, almost a 1% downward movement, and expectation is to come back down here to the 248 level. It's currently trading at 255. Looking at your Barclays banks, now Barclays basically in the sideways, but in this top band, bottom band, broke a bit up through the 190s, went to 192, went 2 Rand higher yesterday. So the indication is it can go back and test this previous high of 194.50. So that's another 2.50, but it's still trading above the green and the red in a positive channel. Tested this bottom here, but it's quite high at this moment, and the volatility can cause the share to start moving to the side. Looking at Standard Bank, share also bounced on this low points here, breaking up, and you can see it's trading between the green of the Bollinger Band and the red of the Bollinger Band on the top. So it's testing close to testing previous highs. Investec started to come off from previous highs. Yesterday it lost 1.12, and this 115 is like a resistance level. Now we need to see how far it will go on the top Bollinger Band as well, but the share is quite topish as well. Looking at your Exaros, Exodus broke up as expected. We said the share needs to go above this 95, 96 rand level, broke the 100 rand level. Now yesterday this share went broke up 4.45 and it went to a level of 102.50. Now next expectation high could be closer to the 110 again. CFR in this green channel positive on the top, test the previous highs, coming a bit down, getting a bit of support. Need to see if this is going to be a bit of bounce upwards or started to test on a sideways pattern. Take note, markets will be closed on Friday, reopen on Monday. Today data will come through. There's quite speculation in the markets and we need to track it closely. Enjoy your trading.